I'm gonna try and make a moan song. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. About me. I was born in Kansas City. I am just a little girl. Yeah, I'm 9 years old, but that's just a little girl. Yeah. My name's Amigo Staley. I don't even know why. Yeah. I was almost gonna be born different names, but I don't even know what sense. Because the night I was born, or morning or afternoon, I didn't know what I was. I thought I was not even here. I don't know, maybe now I do. It was Jesus and God, yeah, Jesus and God, Jesus and God. I am just a little girl now, I don't know, I'm 9 years old, yeah, I know it's just a little girl, little girl, little girl. I don't know what I was when I was born.